That's a specification.
Hello students, today we are going to study the next practical, which is series parallel connection combination of a solar cells. So this is a solar cell which we are going to consider. Let us see, this solar cell is like this. So it is just for the understanding of the series parallel concept. Whenever you are connecting number of cells in series, we are going to improve the voltage profile, right? It will be additive. Whereas when we will connect it in the parallel, then we are going to improve its current profile. So at the back side of the panel, you can see there are two strips. This is one of the strip and this is the other strip, which is for making the connection. So one is acting as a positive, the other terminal is acting as a negative. So such solar cells we have used with a dimension of 54 by 54 millimeter. You can see the square shape of it. It is 54 by 54 millimeter. And specifications are 2 volt 130 milliampere it will deliver, and these are the maximum values which we can get from this solar cell. So when it is exposed to the light, that time we will get maximum 2 volt and 130 milliampere. So current is very small, so though we connect many cells in parallel, we will check if we are possible to connect any load. Otherwise we will focus only on the voltage profile. So you can see here we have 6 solar cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So all terminals we are taking outside. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. This is a kit made by students only. So now we will measure the voltage across these two terminals and we will put light on it. So presently as a sun I am going to use torch of my mobile. So it will act as a sun and solar rays will fall on this and we will measure voltage across this. Okay. So ideally I should get 2 volt. If I connect these two in series, I'll measure the voltage across this terminal and this terminal so as to have a series combination. So I'm expecting 4 volt. Similarly here 6 volt, then 8 volt, 10 volt, 12 volt. Okay. So you can start preparing the observation table. Make the observation table. Number of solar cells in series is the first column. Second column is the voltage. Okay. So number of cells in series are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how you have to make. I'll show you one of the reading which we have taken in some of the year. So see, number of solar cells in series are 1. Okay, so we are getting approximately 1.7 volt, near to 2 volt. So it will depend on the sun intensity. If sun intensity is full, ideally it should provide us 2 volt. So 2 number of cells in series, so 3.33. So it is additive. Okay, so for 6 we are expecting 12 volt. So we are getting approximately 10.26 depending upon the intensity. So for parallel, the voltage will remain same because we are improvising the current profile and not the voltage profile. Okay. So one by one we will take the readings. So let us come to the first solar cell. Here we will measure the voltage. So I will remove this plastic cover on it so that we will get good intensity will fall on it and we will get the maximum efficiency of the panel. So I will keep the multimeter on DC voltage with, see, I have connected it to the common and the voltage. Okay, I want to measure a DC voltage. So I selected the knob of 20 volt because I am expecting 2 volt. Okay, so we'll see how much voltage it is giving to me by putting light on it. Okay, so without light intensity, see how much we are getting. We are getting 1.19. Now I will make my artificial sun on. Okay, and I will see. Now I have made the sun on. Okay, you can see the torch of my mobile I have made on and see how much voltage we are getting. So it is improvising. It is 1.24. Okay, so we will make some sunlight more considering the intensity of the sunlight. So see, the voltage has been increased, which is 1.5. So the first reading is one panel with a reading 1.51. Okay. Now we'll connect two in series and let us check the voltage. So see, for a series connection, I am connecting positive to the negative, and I will measure the voltage across the corresponding 2 points. Okay, now these two cells are in series. Okay, now I am putting the sunlight on it with the help of a torch, and see the voltage what we are getting is 2.71. So your second reading is number of cells in series are 2, voltage is 2.73. say. Okay, now we'll connect one more in series and we'll check. So I have made the series connection. So second terminal to the third one, and we will put the multimeter across the end 2 points. Now my 3 cells are in series. So observe the voltage, it is 3.65. So if I adjust the sun intensity on all the 3 panels, so the reading is 3.61. Right, 3.61 is the reading with 3 number of cells in series. Now we'll go to the next one with 4 cells. Okay, you can go for 3.77. 3 cells in series, your reading is 3.76. Now we'll connect 4 cells in series. So one more connection I'll make. Likewise, we have to move further. Okay. So this is connected to the starting point of the next one. Okay, now let us measure the voltage across the, just one second. Let us measure the voltage across the 4. Okay, now 4 are connected in series. So we are expecting 8 volt, but here sun intensity is less because I am putting the torch light on only. So we are getting the reading of say 4.16. Okay, you take the reading as 4.16. Now the next 5 number of modules in series. Let us connect it. Okay, one cell we are adding together. Okay, now 5 cells in series. The reading is 6.10. Okay, 6.10.
17 last reading.
Okay, 6.17. Okay, it will vary as per the sun intensity. My torch focus is changing as I am moving the position of the mobile. So you can take this reading 6.21. Okay, now we'll move further and we'll have last reading with 6 number of solar cells in series. So we want improvement in the voltage profile. Okay, so let us check it. So see, I have connected the positive terminal to the last cell, negative terminal to the first cell. So all the cells are connected in series and the light is falling on it. I am trying to focus it properly. I'll remove this sheet so that it will give us better result. Okay. So the reading is 7.17. 7.21. Okay. You write 7.22. 7.22 with all the 6 cells in series. Now in the similar way, we have to connect it in the parallel and we have to check. So this is the first part. I'll disconnect and we will recontinue.